Hello, this is Dr. Jiza Khandekar and I have scored 71.1% in MUHS MS-ENT final examinations and I have topped at Srimati Kashibai Navle Medical College, Pune. I have been using the ENT Residency app since the second year of my residency. I have used the master course for not only my theory examinations but also for my practical examinations. This app has helped me to revise and read a lot of information from standard books only using one source, that is the ENT Residency app. या ॲपमध्ये खूप इन्फॉर्मेशन खूप कन्साइज आणि इझी फॉर्मॅटमध्ये व्हिडिओज थ्रू आपल्याला मिळू शकते. I would highly recommend this app to everyone who is planning to appear for the MS-ENT or diploma examinations under the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. I am forever grateful to the makers of this app because they have helped me to read a lot of things in a very short amount of time. या ॲपमुळे मला लास्ट मिनिट रिव्हिजनसाठी आणि खूप कॉन्सेप्ट्स अंडरस्टँड करण्यासाठी पण खूप मदत झाली. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.